Climate change has proven to be a hot topic at the G20 summit, but it's apparently also gotten some hot under the collar. Negotiators have been wrangling over the wording of a statement, and reports suggest the U.S. is pushing to downgrade the language used despite fierce European opposition.
The latest draft, seen by Reuters, includes language supporting implementation of the 2015 Paris Agreement. It also says the accord is irreversible. An earlier draft apparently did not include such language, reportedly at the insistence of the U.S.
Now, if you recall, Washington is opposed to any endorsement of the Paris Pact from which it plans to withdraw from. But European leaders are standing firm, with a Reuters source saying that they agreed not to accept any watering down of the text.
French President Emmanuel Macron has previously said that not referencing the Paris Pact, would be a red line.